Yeah, hello friends. Welcome to our channel Let's Learn Trading. Okay, so today we'll be going to have a look at an post-market analysis which happened. So what are all the things affected the market today, and what are all the things have been happened today on 4th March of 2021. Okay, so we'll be going to have a look at that. Okay, so before we make a look on this, right? So let's move to an global indexes and how the global indexes perform today. Okay, so if you look at the global indexes today, right? So here we can see the Asian market, which is going to happen at the first of our market, right? So we can see all the indexes are the major indexes on the red side only. So we can see that most of the indexes have been having a downside movement only for today, right? So here we can see all the indexes are in the red side in the Asian market. And post that, if you look at the European market on the second of, right? So here we can see again, so this is on the red side only. Okay, all the markets have been moved on the downside, right? So this is about the downtrend of an Asian market and the European market today, right? So we can come to know that the global sentiment for the market today is negative, right? So we can see, if you look at the one day candles of an Nifty, right? So here we can see on the previous day Nifty closed at 15,245.60, and if you look at the today, right? So it opened at 15,026. Okay, so which is like almost around 200 points to 200 plus points on the downside it opened. Okay, and if you look at, it doesn't, if you even look at the intraday candles, right? So if I'll just open the 15 minutes candle. Okay, so if you look at the 15 minutes candle as well, so market opened lower and it tried to move on the upside, but again it market dragged down, because like on the second half you can see uh, post that, like by the noon time European markets open and the European markets are down. So again our Nifty have started moving down, right? So this is an intraday trend for today, and it doesn't move even near to the yesterday's closing price. So today it's in the bearish trend only. Okay, and if you look at the day candle, right? So here we can see, here we have an sideway markets. Okay, so my assumption is like market might trade between these levels for some times. Okay, so here we can see the good amount of support and resistance. So if you look at, right, so if you look at, so market might trade somewhere between like 15,200 to 15,252, like around 15,000. Okay, so if any of the ranges breaks, then we can look for this next support level on the downside and the next resistance level on the upside. Okay, so we have to look at these levels. Okay, so I'm hoping that market might trade between these two ranges for some times. Okay, so Nifty have been actually trading with the global sentiment today. So overall global market is negative. So Nifty is also in the negative side today. Okay, so we can come to a confirmation based on these, right? So Nifty is in the bearish mode. Okay, and if you look at the sector wise, so sector wise performance of the Nifty today. Okay, okay, so we can see the top gainers. So even though market is moving down, we can see like around 12 stocks have been moving upside. Okay, so the top 5 gainers are like Ultra Cement, Adani Ports, Shree Cement, Grasim and Dr. Reddy. And if we see the top 5 losers, so those are all JSW Steel, HDFC, Hindalco, Tata Steel and Tata Motors. Okay, so these are all the losers today. And if you look at the sector wise performance, okay, so here we can see all the sectors are moving down, and except the Nifty Media and Nifty Realty. Okay, so even though Nifty Realty closed in the green, but here it's a very minor upside. But Nifty Media have been closed in the 1.60 percentage on the upsides. Okay, so apart from that, all the major indexes, major sectors have been closed on the red sides only. Okay, so other than this, if you look at the major stock which can major volumes for the stocks in the Nifty 50, right? So we can see Ultra Cement, Adani, Sun Pharma. These are all the top three stocks which contains the more number of volumes. Okay, so here we can see the volumes have been hiked for around 158% for the Ultratech Cement and 113% for Adani Ports and 107% for the Sun Pharma. Right, so this is about an volumes. And if you look at the Nifty future prices, right? So Nifty future price is trading at 15,108 and Nifty is trading at 15,080. Okay, if you look at the day before, yeah, one day before, which is in yesterday's closing price, right? So there is an Nifty's future is trading with a premium of like around 40 points, but today we can see it is trading just around 28 points, right? So we can see that the premium of Nifty future is getting reduced, so this is a sign of an bearish market, because like if the market is in the bullish mode, always the futures will have a good amount of an premiums. Okay, so which means that the future price will trade at the higher price. Okay, so but the difference between the Nifty spot price and the future price and the previous day is like around 40 plus points, but today it is having just a 28 points. Okay, so this might giving us an indication that market is in the bearish mode. Okay, and if you look at the FAI's data, right? So FAI and the DAIs are the net sellers today in the cash market. Okay, if you look at FAI have been selling the uh, have are in the selling point of around 223 crores and DAI have been sold for 788 crores. Okay, so other than that, if you look at the DAs and FAI's activity in the FNO. Okay, so they are, just a second, it's getting loaded. Okay, so if you look at, so there is no data available for today's segments. Okay, so only the cash segment is available. Okay, so both FI and DAs are sellers on the selling side. Okay, and if you look at, okay, I think it's keep on loading. Okay, so if you look at the open interest of the Nifty's future, right? Okay, if you look at the Nifty futures open interest, so here we can see there is an increase in the open interest along with the price fall. Okay, so we can see the open interest changes like around 20% change in the open interest percentage. Okay, and price have been moved down. Okay, so which indicates that there is new selling sides, short positions have been added in the Nifty futures. Okay, so based on this we can come to a conclusion that market is in the bearish mode for right now. Okay, so but if you look at the chart, I would say so market might take a support at this level. Okay, and if it is breaking down, then it may head to the 14,750 level. Okay, so which might be a next support, and again if it is getting breaked, then the next support will be like somewhere around 14,500 levels. Okay, so which is an last week Friday's downside moment. Okay, so hope you guys have liked this video. Okay, so I'm expecting some suggestions and feedback from you guys. Okay, so because I'm starting this as a new series. Okay, so if I get a very good amount of suggestions and the feedback or comments regarding this, right, so I'll be continuing this kind of videos on the daily basis. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. Thank you. All the best. Happy trading.